So let's get some understanding.
Google anything about Sevan Bomar.
Sevan is one of the most diverse
and enigmatic speakers of our time.
And Sevan,
he raises the bar for what is generally discussed by mental, spiritual, and physical advisors.
My name is Sevan.
Things will change.
It's been 10 years, he hasn't given up yet. Actually, quite the contrary.
Sevan Bomar.
This guy's prolifically creating content. Oh my God.
I'm going to pronounce it correctly, even though I'm going to introduce him as Sevan Bomar.
Spreading consciousness throughout the media. Especially the mainstream media, because oh my God, what a delivery system the media is.
He is rapidly gaining explosive recognition for his unique message.
He's known as the spiritual savant, and that's like the perfect description. You know, you read that about someone, you're like, yeah, no, he is that.